Manchester City lost 3-2 to Norwich. I don't think anybody expected that outcome. Mourinho, what is your take on this match?
I swear, the joke is on Guardiola. Oh. Me, I don't even understand why he will bench Kevin De Bruyne and Mahrez. Oh. Then the guy now come and played Stones and Otamendi in the defense. It's like the guy smokes more something. Or maybe he thinks that he is free to make mistakes now that the season is still early. You know, last season, Liverpool was dusting them with like 11 points. And they came back to win the trophy. Maybe he thinks that Liverpool will slack again. Just look at the mistake that Otamendi made in that match. If Pep smoked one complete wrap of weed, then Otamendi must have smoked 20 wraps. It's like the guy was on slow motion when that Norwich guy collected the ball from him and then passed to Pukki. And me and you know that Pukki will not miss that kind of chance. Even Norwich second goal safe. The normal Man City defense cannot allow that kind of counter. But with Otamendi and Stones at the defense, that is just the perfect recipe for trashy defense. Some people are even calling Otamendi the new Mustafi. It was after Norway's third goal that Pep now realized that losing is real. Oh. Maybe that was when the weed have cleared from his eye. That was why he now puts Kevin De Bruyne. It's like anytime he just feels like losing, he will just bench De Bruyne. Because even when he lost to Tottenham last season, it was because he benched De Bruyne.
I thought maybe it was just one of those games that Guardiola could not help but lose. Maybe because of bad luck or something like that.
It's not bad luck anything. The guy smokes more something. And Otamendi smoked even more of that something. That was why Pukki and his brothers won that game.
Sorry, what do you think of Chelsea's win against Wolves?
I swear, I was busy smoking when Ronaldo told me that Chelsea is winning 3-0 half-time. After he told me,
why were you smoking, sir?
What kind of question is this now? I was smoking because my boys went to draw their match against Fiorentina that they were supposed to win. Oh. I was frustrated, that is why I was smoking. And 2, I am addicted to smoking, so don't ever ask me this question again in your life.
Okay, sir.
Good. Okay, Chelsea's game against Wolves surprised me, Sha. Because I know it's not beans to score Wolves 5 goals in one game. And again, the Wolves that I know gives all Big 6 teams trouble. But for some reason, they did not give Chelsea any problem at all. I think it's because of that boy Abraham. I don't know if maybe he has come to save Chelsea from dooms. Because I know that without his goals, that match would have been total. They would have lost to Norwich and Sheffield. That boy is showing them the way, just like his father in the Bible. The day he stops, only God knows what will happen to Chelsea. Maybe relegation. I don't know.
Sorry, what you are saying is nonsense, Joe.
What do you mean?
The reason why Chelsea beat Wolves is because Wolves does not recognize Chelsea as big team again. You said it yourself. Normally, Wolves give top teams trouble. But for some reason, they let Chelsea score 5 goals. That only means one thing. That Chelsea is no more a big team.
This Mourinho of a man. It's like something is wrong with your head. It's like you follow Pep and smoke that small something. How will you say that Chelsea is not a big team?
It is not me that think it. It is Nuno Espirito Santo that is thinking it. That is why they allow 5 goals to enter now.
Now for your...
What of Arsenal game against Watford?
That is the match I want to talk about now. For me, that is the most ridiculous game of this week. It looks like Unai's mission this season is to make sure that Arsenal doesn't make top 4. If not, I don't see why somebody will go and buy David Luiz and put in the defense. Somebody that Chelsea have sucked all his juice. David Luiz's mission is to win penalty for the opponent. He did it against Liverpool, now he has done it again. Unai's mission this season is to remain in the Europa League. It is like that is the only tournament he knows how to play.
Which kind of tournament? Is it not the one that I won 4-1 in finals?
Oh, have you seen it? He doesn't even know how to play anyone, Seth. Sorry, what are you even doing here, Seth? You will not go and cut your Juventus, Abi? You want to be doing 2 works, Abi?
Somebody is looking for my trouble, or after they will say that I am yabbing somebody too much. And you people that are watching, you better subscribe to GNX Studio Weekly Sports Analysis, or else I will yab you people join.